Hey there, in this video I'm just going to quickly show you a piece of equipment that I use for lateral training, and it's really worth you having a go at it. Hey there everyone, Jason Tapala here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning, and thank you for watching one of my videos here. Now, I'm just going to show you a piece of equipment that I've used for the last 10-15 years, and that is the Skier's Edge machine. It's a little bit old now. I'm saving up to get a new one, but I've shown it on videos before. Now this is really good for lateral training. Most people, when they go to the gym, their go-to way of training is in the sagittal plane. It's linear. Squats, deadlifts is always in one plane. But if you're doing something for skiing, or action sports, snowboarding, or any other sports like tennis, rugby, football, anything where it's an open sport where you're moving in three directions, you have to think about you're going to be moving laterally as well as forward and back. Now, I'm going to just show you quickly how I use this, because I'm going off skiing in a couple of weeks time. Now every time I go on my ski vacations, I can't get on the slopes, but I use this to get my ski legs ready. So for the lateral movement, so when you're skiing left and right, is to get my rhythm and get my legs and glutes, hamstrings all working. So when I'm skiing, and I'll put a little link here of me skiing in ZLMZ, how my lower legs, my lower body is moving from side to side, but my upper body is really staying still. I've got a strong core. I do a lot of anti-core rotations, or anti-rotations, or anti-lateral flexions. Anti-rotations is really good. So working your core, doing anti-rotations and stuff like that for the core, and my legs are going from side to side. This is going to aid it for carving. This is also good for like deceleration. A lot of people think, don't think about deceleration when you go skiing. Oh yeah, it's really good. You've got two planks on your feet, you're going downhill, you're going fast, but stopping is a power man. You've got to know how to stop. So deceleration is key for this. So I'm just going to quickly show you here now. This piece of equipment, like I say, is 12 years old now. I am saving up for a new piece of equipment because it's much more better than new ones. When I get my own little studio gym, I'm going to get one of these. Now, I teach and I coach most of my clients lateral training. So like I say, most people just do the sagittal plane. They do the linear one when they go into the gym. Nothing wrong with that, that's okay, but you have to think laterally as well. So if you haven't got this machine, and not many people in the UK do have one of these machines, but you can do other things like side lunges, jump lunges to the side, anything like that. Anything going from laterally is going to help you with your development for action sports. So now I'm just going to show you here now. Like I say, not many people have been on this one, but it is really good. It might make a little bit of noise, so I don't know if you're going to hear me. So I'll get into the ski stance, so triple flexion, and I'm just going to move back to forth. Now, it makes a little bit of noise because it's on rubber bands, but I'm using my upper body. It is literally trying to stay as still as possible, and I'm going back and forth. So as I go to the sides, this is going to simulate the turns that I make. Now this is really good because I'm using my adductors, my glutes, hamstrings. I'm in a triple flex position, my core is strong. I've got my hands on the poles, which is just keeping me steady, because I will not fall forward. So I normally would do probably 1 or 2 minutes doing this. Not very quick. When I get better, I will go from side to side. The only thing is, it will start to move. And then I'm just going to get off that because it's making noise. But if you're going to do this, it's really good. I've just been on it for like not even a minute, and I'm getting out of breath. So lateral training, you have to develop if you're doing action sports or any kind of open sports like rugby, football, even tennis. See, I'm even breathing that. So I'm going to do like literally 2 to 3 minutes on that, have a break, 2 to 3 minutes. That's going to be my cardio. I'm also going to use my K-Box 4 to do some strength training, which I haven't got here, I've got on the other side of the room. So between those two, my ski conditioning, hopefully in a few weeks time, 4 to 6 weeks time, should be really good. So when I get out on the snow, and the next time you see this, I will make a video of this, of me out in the snow and on the slopes, that how I've trained myself to get ski conditioned. Now I do Ski Fit. I'm also working on another program which I might name now. Yeah, I might. So I'm going to call it Sharpen Your Edges. I think so. I might take away ski Fit to Ski, but I'm going to call it Sharpen Your Edges. I don't know yet, but I've got some plans to sort of be able to do more ski fitness, not for skiing, for snowboarding, for any action sports. This is good for anything, even ice hockey or anything like that. So yeah, there we go. So I hope you like this. Just wanted a quick demonstration of the Skier's Edge. I've got lots of other pieces of equipment, really unique pieces of equipment that most people don't have where I live in Exeter, which most people really should be using. When I get my own studio up and running, and hopefully one day soon, I'm going to get it all together, and trust me, my studio will be something that will be completely unique and not been seen around this area before. Hopefully we'll get that done soon. So keep in touch, keep watching my videos. Please like and share this video. I'll put a link, I think, down here to my Instagram account. This will probably go out on Instagram as well, but please like and share. Please get me on Instagram, follow me on that. I'll put a lot more information on that. I also might put a link to my Fit to Ski Instagram account as well, because that might change, but I'll put stuff on there for my ski fitness and action sports conditioning. So there we go. So I hope you like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. If you want any information about how I coach people and how I train people with the Skier's Edge or any other piece of machinery like landmines and stuff like that, please let me know. I've got 20 years of experience. Also, I should mention that I am a professional ski instructor as well. Been doing that since 2002. So yeah, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you on another video coming real soon.